The question that was asked is, what have we learned? I'd say a better question is, what haven't I learned?
Something I've learned is kind of how to line up all the trades and make sure they all work well together, and making sure you can get all the ones going through at the small space that we have.
So things that I've learned so far is to just go out in the field, talk to the subcontractors, see what they have to offer.
Working on a school project specifically when the kids are still in school has really given me an added emphasis on safety and proper coordination.
One of the biggest takeaways for me has just been witnessing subcontractors do their work. They're more than happy to tell me what they're doing and how they do it.
The PE specifically, she has taught me so much about the job, what I would be stepping into after college. It is a much more broad job than I thought it was.
Some things I've learned are how a company approaches communicating its brand to the public.
It was awesome to be a part of the ribbon cutting because all of the citizens and the owners came for the ceremony, and everybody was very excited about the new project and pleased with the way it looked.
When designing this building, they really thought about the people that are going to work in here from day to day, what they do, what kind of meetings they hold, and they noticed that a ton of collaboration goes on. So there is a bunch of open area.
One thing I have learned on a utility project like this is that most of the hard work is put underground and is never seen by most people ever again.
We are roughly 30 days away from finishing construction and turning over the building. This has allowed me to get exposed to the closeout and punch list process.
My day-to-day is mostly consisted of submittals and RFIs for this job, which has really helped me to learn the drawings and specs well as seeing what goes on site, but also behind the scenes in the trailer for a job to get done and get done on time.
I spend most of my time doing takeoffs for these projects. This is what one of the takeoffs looks like.
I'm not a mechanical engineering student, not a civil or environmental or anything, or construction management. So being able to see that my mechanical knowledge is able to be applied very easily and readily into this field has been really cool to see.
As a civil engineering major, I didn't know much about construction management, but since starting with Granger, I've learned what an RFI is, what a submittal is, and how to fill them out on Procore, among a lot of other things. I've sat in on meetings and experienced firsthand how different positions interact and communicate with each other in order to get the job done. Nothing can prepare you for a job like being on site can. Challenges will present themselves, so improvisation and teamwork are key skills to have. I would 100% recommend that you intern with Granger Construction. You'll get great experience with a really good company.